yellow ochre color, gray color, red color, white color, pink color, blue color, yellow color, purple color, orange color, green color, and black color. So now you draw A and use black color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. So now you draw D and use yellow color. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. So now you draw H and use green color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. So now you draw K and use blue color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. So now you draw O and use red color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. So now you draw R and use purple color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. So now you draw V and use orange color. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much. Draw green color, orange color, black color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, dark pink color, red color, light green color, light pink color, purple color, and last one is sky blue color. So now you draw one and use sky blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you draw 6 and use red color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you draw 11 and use purple color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now you draw 16 and use light green color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.